Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Auto Tips. So this is the top and the front view of the box. As you can see, there are like 3 boxes here and these are sterile boxes, so that's the reason why I'm wearing my gloves and my mask. So this is the top and the front view of it. Okay, let me show you on the sides of the box. So this is the top view, and as you can see, this is the Fujifilm, and this is the Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Auto Tips. And at this side of the box you can see this. Yes, you have to stack it at this angle. As you can see, this is the Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Auto Tips. You can see the expiry date, the lot number, and you can find the manufacturing address here. This is the Fuji Corp, made in Tokyo, Japan. So this is the IVD product, and the pack size is 6x96. I will be like unboxing it right now. Okay guys, let me like unbox it for you. It's packed well. No, it's a sterile product, so let me take this for you. So as you can see, this is the Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Auto Tip. As you can see, there are 6 boxes and in a 96 set. You can find it here. It is sealed and it is entirely closed. You can see the expiry and the lot number here. C certified product. It is completely sealed, and you can see it is sterile. It's protected from the environment. It prevents from the contamination and all. So guys, this is the Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Auto Tip unboxing video. Thank you.